crazy. I got something crazy. Let me show you guys. Hopefully you guys can see this. Got myself a brand new TV. Let's go. All right, let me move you guys over here and turn on the lights. I don't even care if I look hideous right now. I just came from work. As the title goes, I am doing an unboxing and a first impression on the LG 48-inch C10 or CX. This is the TV I've been literally eyeing out for the last 2 years. Not necessarily this model, but an OLED TV. But overall, this TV will be replacing my 43-inch 4K TV from Toshiba. It's a Fire TV, it's already built in. I've honestly really enjoyed this TV since it syncs with all my Alexa products. And the only issues I have with it is it's not too bright and the black levels are really low. And that's why I got myself an OLED TV. Literally the best TV for movies, in my opinion. I'm a home theater salesman at Best Buy, so this is literally what I do. I've been really wanting to get an OLED for a very long time. So yeah, let's unbox this puppy. And I gotta find a place for this TV to go. It's either going to my sister or I'm gonna be selling it on a marketplace. So yeah, let's get to it. Woo! This TV is big, bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Somewhere, should have enough space, perfect. Nice. Moment of truth. I heard something click. Oh, it's on. Ha ha. Alright guys, I'm done installing the TV. Dude, it was a very rough installation, not gonna lie. The manual was not anywhere near helpful. It was very dumbed down, like goddamn LG. But I had to watch a YouTube video and learn how to install it, and I kind of had a couple scares where I thought I would bend or break the TV because it's so thin and fragile. Yeah, I'm surprised I didn't crack anything. I'm usually clumsy and break something, but it looks pretty fine right now. First thing I noticed from this TV is how good the contrast ratio is. I haven't even dived into the picture settings yet. I just let the AI picture mode work and it did its magic, and it just looks really good. And the other things I want to test out with this TV is the 120 Hertz at 4K. I will test that out with the PS5 whenever I get that, and also with my PC whenever I get a better graphics card to run 4K at 120, because that's a little bit harder to do. But so far it looks really good. I'm used to seeing this TV around because I do work at Best Buy, and actually in the Magnolia Center where this specific TV is at, it's under an 86-inch TV, so it's always getting dwarfed. But now that I have it in my bedroom, it looks pretty big because I do have a small room, so I have to make sure I use the space wisely. But yeah, this TV is definitely a giant upgrade from my 43-inch Toshiba. I'm going to be putting up a test actually of the same clip playing on the two TVs, the Toshiba 43-inch and the OLED 48-inch. For me, it's a clear difference. The contrast, the shadows, and the HDR too is like a really big difference. And if you guys can tell, let me know down in the comments below. And also, if you guys already have an OLED TV, let me know, what do you guys think about them? The other thing that I want to note is that you need to be able to control your light with an OLED TV. I guess I'm a little bit picky at that part. The TV itself is not the brightest. It's not dim or anything like that, but it is a glass screen, and again, it's an OLED, so it's self-illuminating, but it doesn't have any backlight in a way where it will drown the reflections from any light sources. So you need to be able to control your lighting, and I already noticed a lot of reflections, like literally a mirror. But when I'm watching movies, I usually have all the lights closed. I don't really have a lot of ambient light, so I should be fine. And if you guys are hearing my dog, I'm so sorry, he's barking outside. Yeah, that's it for this unboxing first impression. My channel's low-key turning into a tech channel. Didn't really have that plan in the beginning of the year, but I've been buying a lot of tech during this pandemic, and I know I should be saving, but I'm enjoying myself. I'm having a good time, and hopefully for the future, if you guys like these type of videos, I'll try to make some more reviews, unboxing, or first impression videos on new tech that I buy. Anyways, if you guys do like the video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And if you guys want to subscribe and follow for more videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. If you want to stay up to date with my uploads, there is a notification bell down there. It'll send you some reminders whenever I upload in the future. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Wayne. Peace out.
Oh, I dropped something.
That's like my new sword.